Hello guys, welcome back. This is Khalisidita here for After Effects tutorial, and now I want to show you how to create 3D title in Element 3D by After Effects. Let's start. Create a new composition and right here Element 3D, enter. Don't forget you must set the time 5 seconds. Click OK. And now select the title and click here, right here, Element 3D. Turn off the caps lock and set the title bold. And now right click, create a new solid. Right here, Element 3D, go to Effects, go to Video Copilot, select Element. So guys, don't forget if you need to download Element 3D plugin, you must go to my Patreon account. You can download Element 3D Master course in $10. And you can download a lot of Element 3D packages. You can download TrapCode 2025. You can download Pro 3D Models Pack. So guys, let's continue. And now select Element 3D, go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Mask, and go to select Element 3D Titan. Go to Scene Setup. And now click on Extrude to make in 3D. Click here. Go to presets, go to bevel, select physical. And there you have a lot of presets. Double click, control the scale like this. And go to expand the group scene. Go to materials, physical, drop golden material if you need to drop the chrome material. Go to environment, change environment to Bing. Okay. And now click OK. So guys, there you can see just three. If you need to edit, select the title, double click, just write one more 3D. Just write it 3D. And now right click, create a new camera, select 24 millimeter, click OK. Select Element 3D Solid, go to Group 1 and go to Particle Look. Set a little bit bigger. And now I need to animate. So how to do this? Go to second one and go to Particle Look. Go to Multi-Object, turn on, and there you can control the rotation. Stopwatch. Go to in 1 second from 1 in 2. I need to animate in 1 second. Press 0. Don't forget like, subscribe, share the video. So, and now right click. Let's create light solid right here. Light. Go to effects, go to video copilot, select optical flares. So, and now click on option. There you can see a lot of lights. So I need to select the simple light, click OK, and go to mode, select add. Don't forget, turn on the mode tab by pressing F4 on keyboard. So select and move here. Element 3D. Here I need to animate this one too. Click here and now change to 0 and 0. So guys, take a look. Go to second one, stopwatch all of them, and go to in 10 frame, little bit, change the brightness, and go to press U, set the keyframes in 15 frame. Go to second two, move more and hold Control on keyboard, slowly change to 0. And now play. Not bad. Change 0. Take a look guys. So if you need to animate the camera, select the camera and expand, transform, select all of them. Select all of them and go to in second 3, select the dolly and wait, move the camera. Take a look guys. Good. So guys, and now trim your comb. Trim from here too. Okay guys, this is the basic simple 3D title in Element 3D and After Effects. Thanks for watching.